Okay, before I start cleaning up that dehumidifier, I'm thinking back to the last time I did it, which was a couple of years ago. I used my water saver coil tool, but guys, I bought the long one. I got this really long one, and that's kind of hard to use on a small. I just need a kind of a short one for a dehumidifier. So I'm gonna build a companion to my water saver here. I'll come up with an idea what I can do. This is a Watts A158 3/8 copper to garden hose. What I can do, this is garden hose here, so I can actually take the valve off of this, screw it onto here. And I was thinking, I've always wished the water saver was 90 degrees, so this will make it 90 degrees. I was just looking around at the hardware store to try to find something I could make this out of, and that just looked like the perfect thing. That also give me that 90 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is use that, fasten that onto that end, and I'll pinch the end of it, which that one's already pinched, but I'm gonna pinch it good, and then I'm gonna braze it shut. And then if you'll notice the water saver, there's just a hole drilled in it, and I've already sized that up. And my 11/64 is the closest drill bit I have to that hole size. And I've got my drill stop set out here. I've already found the right one there and got it set for the perfect depth to drill a hole, because I don't want to go all the way through to the other side, because that would kind of run it. So let me get set up here, guys, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to make me a couple of different lengths here, I think, while I'm at it. I'm going to make one about that length right there, and then maybe another one that length. This will be really good for like small window ACs to get down in between the coils. I'm going to take my lineman's pliers here. Do a good pinch right on the end there. And I'm going to get the torch ready over here. That ought to do it. Okay, I'm ready to drill my hole here. Straight in vise. Go about right there. I'll start me a little dent there with my scratch awl, because that drill bit likes to walk on that copper. Place to bite into there. Got my drill bit and my stop ready to go here. Perfect. Didn't go through. That looks pretty good. Need to smooth that out with a file. It'll be just about right. Look at that. Now my companion to my Water Saver Pro will be good. I'm gonna make me a shorter one too here, guys, and then I'll show you that. I got my shorter one made here. It's just that one. I already got my ferrule nut on there ready to put it on the water hose fitting here. All I gotta do is tighten that ferrule down. That'll be good. I'll do some more straightening. I don't make it straight, but I'll get out there and try it out in just a second. Then I'm gonna get the dehumidifier out here and give it a good cleaning. This ought to be easier. I'm gonna put it up on a table this year instead of having to put it down on the ground. See, this one was so long I had to put it down on the ground and kind of do it like this, and I really couldn't see what I was doing. So this ought to be a lot better. Hey guys, I've got my cleaning table set up here and found the right tool out of my little driver set here that Fritz gave me. It's got the perfect size in it. Look at that. I'll get all these screws out and then we'll get to cleaning on it. Got the cover off where you can see the evaporator. Kind of functified there in spots. I'll get the electronic controls out of the way here. Plugged in like so. That completely removes. Set that aside in here. Let's see. It's not that bad, but you can see some little bit of dust. Pan's kind of dirty down there. Never hurts to wash them out good. The condenser stays pretty clean because the wet evaporator makes a pretty good filter. It doesn't have a filter, it's just an evaporator. Okay guys, I've got the metal enclosure off. There's the capacitor. Little rotary compressor. It is a LG compressor rotary. There's the float switch. If the bucket gets full, it shuts the unit off. Fan motor, blower wheel, condenser, evaporator. Test this capacitor. I don't know what it's supposed to be rated at, but maybe it'll say on it. If not, I'll look it up and see. I'm gonna go ahead and test it, and then I'll look and see what it's supposed to be. Okay guys, here's the information on the cap. Looks like it's a 30 microfarad. Guys, got my capacitor off here. Check it with my little Supco MFD10. I hadn't used this very much. Fritz gave this to me a while back, and I hadn't really ever used it that much because I got my fill piece. But I'm gonna check it and see. 32, it's rated for 30. It ought to be good. I'm gonna get a second opinion from the fill piece here just to be sure. It's saying 29 point. I'm gonna go ahead and get this back in place and get the waterproof boot on it so it won't get wet during the washing. Hey guys, I don't want any of these Molex plugs to get wet, so what I'm gonna do is wrap them up in a Ziploc bag like this. Down like that up on this table so they won't get wet. Because that would not be good. And I've got the coil gun ready to go here. I'll take a little bit to spray out this little evaporator. This will be the first time it's had any coil cleaner on it. So a little bit's all we'll need for this one. I'm going to be using non-acid coil cleaner, guys. This is foaming cleaner and degreaser for condenser and evaporator coils, mechanical equipment, and air filters. Biodegradable, non-acidic. We'll let that sit a minute and I'll get the rinser going here. Guys, I've got my new tool ready to go here. Drain's clear now. Alright, she's clean again. Look at that. Clean, clean, clean. That little tool works good. Glad I figured out how to make that. I sat around and thought about it for a long time before I figured out how to do it. Really, I didn't have it figured out until I went to the store and found that elbow like that. Okay, now I gotta let it dry out and put it back together. There's the model and serial and all that good stuff. Refrigerant 22, 12.5 ounces. Hit this bucket with a little coil cleaner too. Give it a good rinse. About used it all up too. Let's see. I'll just go ahead and put all that in there and let it shake it around and let it stay in there a minute. Bucket's not too bad. Didn't have a lot of stuff in it. I keep it rinsed out. I rinse it out every time I empty it, or about every other time. Try not to let it get dirty because they will get nasty down inside if you don't rinse them out good every so often. Okay, it's all back together again. Cord, the plug's still looking good. No signs of hot spots. This unit's doing good for 12 years old. Sure has been a good one. It has to run quite a bit because of my oversized ream. Till about June, it runs pretty steady, keeping the humidity out of the house. But it has to get up in the, has to be up in the 90, up in the upper 80s to around 90 during the day for the ream to run enough to keep the humidity out of the house. So I have to have it, but it works really good. Back in service. There's that steady drip back, guys. See, when it's clean, it does a steady drip instead of ever so often a big trickle. That's how I know when it's time to clean it. I had it too long, hadn't I? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. Over and out.